Pair the handheld with the OccluSense iPad app. After you have successfully connected the handheld to your iPad, you must now pair the handheld. You must now pair the handheld device with the OccluSense iPad app. In order to do this, please start the OccluSense app on your iPad. The app will be in demo mode at the initial startup. Now tap on Settings in the OccluSense iPad app. Go to Handheld Registration and tap on Change Device. A list of device suggestions will be displayed. Now select the device with the default name Default. Once the pairing has been completely successful, the OccluSense iPad app will from now on connect automatically to this handheld. When connected, this graphic is shown on the handheld display. This graphic symbolizes successfully connected to the OccluSense iPad app, no sensor inserted, and no patient data available. The first setup is now completed. Now quit and restart the app to exit the demo mode.